So yes, up till now we have completed pandas. We have understood everything in pandas, like how to load a simple data frame or CSV file. Okay, how to create a data frame from dictionary. Then we have seen pivot tables, group by, how to get a summary of something, and many other things we have seen. Okay, how to merge two data frames, which type of join to use, what is difference between merge, concatenate, append, and everything we have seen. But every times we were dealing up till now, we're dealing with something called as numbers. Okay, like for example, this is your, and up till now we were only dealing with numbers like this, something, the numbers, text, and in this format we have the data. Now this was a text data, or you can simply call it as a data frame or excel file, but this were numbers. So now what I say you, we are starting to the new part, that is introduction to data visualization. A small view of this we have seen in our previous classes, but yes, today the actual concept starts, that is introduction to visualization. So up till now we have only deal with numbers, or if I show you the data frames and all that, so it would be more clear for you. Okay, so you see that we have only the numbers up till now, numbers, letters, and all those things. But what I show, instead of numbers, if I give you very good images, might be something like this. Okay, you can see now we will be only dealing with images. So you have heard this proverb a many number of times, a picture speak more than 1,000 words. Okay, so we will now be doing a visualization of that. So whatever we have learned to create summary, we'll have learned to use group by. So now I will explain you, you can import any type of data using pd.read csv from csv format into your data frame. Now that data frame would be converted into a very good visualizations. That visualizations can be a simple line graph, something like this. Okay, which shows the yes, which shows the time axis and your stock market analysis. This can be this, or it can be simple bar charts that show the performance of your company, anything, but that deals with visualization now. So visualization is a very important concept in data science. That's why we have a complete session on this, that is introduction to visualization with Matplotlib. So basically we have two libraries. So up to now you have understood, like we have pandas libraries. We have pandas library to deal with data frames and excel files and all that. Now to deal with visualizations, we have libraries such as Matplotlib and seaborn. Okay, these are the two major libraries that are used in data science, and you can do many operations on with this simple Matplotlib and seaborn. So in today's lecture we will see Matplotlib. Okay, so it would be very simple, but yes, you need to understand the syntax here. Okay, now you can directly see how visualization makes